In this video, how to fix the File Explorer address bar dropdown sticking issue in Windows 11. This is a bug that Microsoft hasn't fully fixed yet. As a temporary solution, you can try highlighting the address bar or press Ctrl+L, then press Enter. As you can see, the dropdown is gone. Another way to fix this is by resetting File Explorer using an app called Windhawk. You can download and install it from its official website. In this video, I'll use the Windows Package Manager to install it automatically. Windows Package Manager is a free, built-in tool that comes pre-installed in Windows 11 and newer versions of Windows 10. Once installed, open the tool and search for Classic Explorer Navigation Bar Mod. Click Details and install the mod. After installation, you can choose between the Classic Explorer style or the Windows 10 style. As you can see, the drop-down sticking issue is now resolved. If you like the Windhawk mod style, you can keep Windhawk installed on your computer. In this video, I only want to reset File Explorer, so I will uninstall Windhawk. I'm using this app to reset File Explorer only. Restart the File Explorer or restart the computer. As you can see, it's working as expected now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.